Okay, we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1 and we'll ask you some questions and you got to answer. Yes.
Do you like reading?
Yes, definitely I like reading, but nowadays I prepared for my exams, so that's why I have a lot of work burden, and I do reading as well, but in my free time.
Okay, nowadays I'm preparing for my exam, not I prepare for my exam. Otherwise, it's good. And at the end, say to answer your question, I love reading, but due to some workload, I don't read these days. Okay, one sentence conclusion is must. Let's go on.
Do you like to read at home or in other places?
I think it's depend on.
It depends. We never say it's depend.
It depends.
It
Okay.
depends, yeah.
It depend on environment. If is it suitable for me, so it doesn't matter where I'm sitting. So if is it comfortable for me, I do read a lot of books and.
Okay, don't worry. Just try to control yourself, okay? Don't be afraid. One more question.
In what places do you think it is difficult to read?
Sorry?
In what places do you think it is difficult to read?
I think so. In public places and rushy places, I don't have focus on content, so that's why it's difficult situation to read anything.
Okay, and try to add few things. For example, repeat the question.
In what places do you think it is difficult to read?
It is always difficult to read at the public places. For example, if you are in a shopping mall which is crowded by people, so you hardly can concentrate whatever you are trying to read. On the other hand, if you are traveling, for example, you're traveling by bus and sometimes the road is bumpy and jerky, so in that case you cannot read. And finally, something like that, okay? There is a way to answer each question. Once you get that, then you can answer any question. Now, when I answer questions, I don't think because I know there is a pattern and on that pattern I have to answer. So all of you, you have to patronize yourselves that this is the question, 3-step formula, and I have to answer. Okay, so gradually you'll be fine. Don't worry. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.